ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಿ? ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸುತ್ತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? 11 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಖಾನಾಪುರದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುತ್ತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು? ನನಗೆ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು.
Karnataka Legislative Council Chairman Basavaraj Horatti clarified in Hubballi that there is no official record of BJP MLC C.T. Ravi using an unparliamentary word against Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar during the council session on 19 December Thursday at the Suvarna Vidhana Soudha in Belagavi. He said, "I have spoken to both Ravi and Hebbalkar, and while complaints have been filed by both the parties, the word in question was not recorded in the session. However, 4 Congress MLCs, including Yathindra Siddaramaiah, claimed they heard Ravi use the term," Horatti stated. Meanwhile, Ravi filed a counter complaint accusing Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar, Minister Hebbalkar, and others of assaulting him in the Suvarna Vidhana Soudha. He alleged threats to his life and held Congress leaders responsible if anything happens to him. Ravi also clarified he never used the offensive word and blamed the situation on a misunderstanding. Horatti expressed disappointment, saying, "In my 45 years of politics, such incidents are unprecedented." He urged for resolution and a focus on moving forward. BJP MLC C.T. Ravi was produced before the Belagavi court, where the hearing was adjourned to 3 p.m. on December 20th. His lawyers claimed that the police had ill-treated him, driving him around all night without proper food. Officers initially took Ravi to a community health center for a medical test before presenting him at the city 5th Additional Magistrates Court. According to sources, Belagavi police are expected to present BJP MLC C.T. Ravi before the special court for elected representatives in Bengaluru on Friday, December 20th.